Mastering Idioms, the art of pulling a U-turn. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the dynamic world of idiomatic expressions. Specifically, we'll decode the phrase, pulling a U-turn. This expression isn't just about driving. It's a versatile idiom that navigates through various aspects of everyday communication. Initially, pulling a U-turn refers to the literal action of a vehicle making a U-shaped turn to reverse its direction. It's like when you're driving and suddenly realize you need to go back the way you came from. However, this phrase isn't confined to the roads. Metaphorically, it signifies a complete change in opinion, plan, or behavior. It's about doing an about-face, making a 180-degree turn in decision-making. In everyday language, pulling a U-turn can be used in various contexts. Personal decisions, when someone abruptly changes their mind about a personal choice, like suddenly deciding not to move to a new city after making all the arrangements. Business strategy, companies might be said to pull a U-turn when they change their strategy entirely, abandoning the old path for a new one. Political realm, politicians are often accused of pulling a U-turn when they shift their stance on an issue, especially if they previously held a strong opposing view. To grasp the essence of this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. After receiving negative feedback, the company pulled a U-turn and revamped its product. 2. He was heading to the grocery store but pulled a U-turn when he remembered he already had milk at home. 3. The government pulled a U-turn on its policy after widespread protests. These examples showcase how the phrase is versatile and can fit into different scenarios, highlighting a swift and complete change in direction or thought. Congratulations! You've just mastered the art of pulling a U-turn in the English language. Remember, idiomatic expressions like this enrich your communication, adding color and depth to your conversations. We hope you found this journey insightful and that you're ready to steer your language learning in new, exciting directions. Happy learning and see you in the next video.